Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to manage tasks in TickTick To-Do. So basically all you have to do is go to this website, and then this one is for free. So all you have to do is to create an account here. You can create an account using your email, password, or just connect to your Google account. Tap on task because our tutorial is all about tasking. So click this one right here and then select if it's work, personal, and so on. So let's just say it's for work and then tap on continue or proceed. And this is what it looks like. Actually, this one is easy to use. All you have to do here is to just basically create a folder. So you can use from any other template, but basically you can just click on the plus icon right here and then start with your task name. So once you have your task name, you can open your task and then tap the calendar icon and choose a day and time. You can use it for appointments, work deadlines, and personal reminders. So basically, for example, this one right here, I'm going to add a finished report. You can add color, you can add a note, you can add anything here like also you can add reminders. So basically once you have added it, then all you have to do is go to that specific folder, let's just say work, and it will appear. You can also add another one by adding the name, for example, finish report, press enter, and you should see this one on the right side. Here you can add headings, you can add attachments, you can add deadlines. So for example, I'm going to tap on the calendar icon right here, and then all you have to do is type slash and you will see different option below. As you can see, you can add tags or you can also add subtask. You can tap on create a bullet list and so on. So basically, aside from the calendar icon, the deadline, you can also organize with list. So basically, you can just type slash and then add here whatever you want, like a new list for work, personal, school, shopping list, and goals. So you can make a work folder, you can make a personal folder. There is also Substack right here, and then you can also add recurring tasks if you want. You can use tags for extra organization and use priority levels like the color that I have showed you earlier. So basically that's it. The calendar view, you can connect it to your Google, Apple, or Outlook calendar. This lets you see all tasks plus events in one place. Great for planning your day visually. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.